all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. The Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) has issued new guidelines on disposing used face masks and gloves. As the number of cases continue to rise, wearing protective gear while stepping out of the house has now become mandatory. Governments are levying fines if people are found roaming without protective gear. But this has led to another huge problem: increase in environmental pollution. Just a few days ago, we showed you how used PPE kits caused environmental pollution. PPEs are vital in battling the COVID-19 crisis, and it needs to be disposed daily. Healthcare workers are the largest contributors of waste PPE kits across the world. This waste is slowly piling up on the environment, and it is going to hit back at us within a few months. To address these issues, the pollution watchdog, CPCB, has once again rolled out guidelines regarding the disposal of used masks and gloves. It is to be noted that this is the fourth time the CPCB has issued the guidelines. As per the latest guidelines, used masks and gloves should be kept in paper bags for 72 hours and cut or shredded before they are discarded. In the guidelines, the CPCB also said that these PPE kits should be put in dry waste bin. According to CPCB, by doing this, the spreading of infection from the infected gear can be checked. Discarded PPEs from the general public at commercial establishments, shopping malls, institutions, offices, etc. should be stored in a separate bin for 3 days, thereafter disposed of as dry general solid waste after cutting or shredding. Waste masks and gloves in general households should be kept in a paper bag for a minimum of 72 hours prior to disposal of the same as dry general solid waste after cutting the same to prevent reuse. The Central Pollution Control Board also requested the hospitals not to use yellow-colored bags for disposing these protective gears. In medical terms, yellow color is an indicator for disposing medical waste, and these protective gears are not medical waste. Yellow-colored bags should not be used for general solid waste. Yellow bags are indicators for biomedical waste from COVID-19. The Pollution Control Board also took note of the things touched by infected persons and said even those items should be disposed separately. Leftover food, empty juice bottles or Tetra packs, empty water bottles, packaging material and any other items generated or handled by COVID-19 patient should be collected along with other general solid waste in bags securely tied before handing them over to waste collectors. The CPCB said that hospitals must use red bags for collecting waste disposal from COVID-19 wards. In order to minimize the waste disposal of protective gears, the Central Pollution Control Board requested people to use reusable face masks.